Moving, just keep moving till I don't know what to say. I've been moving so long.
So hi, good morning from the New Forest in the south of England. So Arjan and I are going to go and leave the New Forest and leave Jens over there. It was very nice chatting up with him and the boys and Becky last night. So yeah, it was good to be back here. But now today we're going to ride towards Dorchester via the Jurassic coast. So that's the plan for today. But now, of course, for the news you've all been waiting for, the weather.
Well, we saw some dinos and
Dinos.
western wind.
Dinos and western wind. Right, that's it for today. Crap as always. See you later. All right, we're off.
See you soon.
See ya. Bye.
Right then.
All right.
Enjoy.
All right.
See you soon.
Thank you.
Bye.
Hey. Bye. Take care. Yeah. Holy cow. Coming through.
So I bought this star in South Dakota in a quiet neighborhood. Just clutching stars and beating doors down had done me in good. It's surplus stock I specialize in with prices hard to beat. Your replacement, the bargain basement, is fully guaranteed.
So here we are in Folkestone near Bournemouth, and we're now about to make our way towards the seaside, I hope, and take a little break over there. So that should be fun. All right.
This fabulous future's a surplus supply. Things get left over and no one knows why. Encloses my change of address. Hotel Sarah. My sister is no stranger to the retail trade. She comes in part-time, she's had a hard time, but no surprise she paid. An ex-Virginia, it's her opinion of when the price is low. Well, people really treat you fairly, no matter where you go. And if that's what you want, I can supply. Negotiate with you if the price is too high. If that's what you need, give me a call. I have to admit I've been missing you all. This fabulous future's in surplus supply. Things get left over and no one knows why. Encloses the change of address. Hotel Sarah. You better tell Sarah.
We have 2 tickets, please. 2 bikes. No, just a single. Well, this has got to be the noisiest ferry ever. My word.
Old guitars and new umbrellas, all a price to clear.
So I'm not sure if you can spot it, but over there is where we are heading for now. I believe they're called Old Harry's Rock or Rocks, and then we will head down over to Door. That should be hopefully the highlight of the day, if we can reach it, because Might be a very long walk for us with our bikes, so not sure yet, but this at least is already a nice outlook. So let's see if we can have an equal nice outlook on Old Harry's Rocks as well when we get there. All right.
My apartment comes full of furniture. It's on the second floor. And you can use it after hours. No matter
Ice cream. Cool.
But if that's what you want, I can supply. Negotiate with you if the price is too high.
What? Ice cream for all.
I have to admit I've been missing you all. There's fabulous futures and surplus supply. Things get left over and no one knows why. And closes will change on the grass. Better time still on. And closes my change on the grass. You better down still. You better down still. Go down still. Down still.
Well, though we had a nice look at Corfe Castle, it would seem that our road in fact is closed for the day, so that means quite a bit of a detour. I have your accent over there. Well, you gotta love campers, right? Yeah, that's very fortunate. So it looks like we are going to be taking a much busier road now, so I'm not looking forward to that at all, but it's what it is. Well, we are hoping to be able to reconnect to our route via, what is it called, Lulworth or something. So here is the firing range, and I can't really tell if we are allowed to cross over, but I see many cars heading that way now, so fingers crossed we can actually, because otherwise it's going to be towards Wool over a very busy main road yet again. Not something we are looking forward to. Right, it seems we can pass, so happy days. Up to Dorchester. Right, that's it from us from the Jurassic coast, and the first drops of rain have fallen as well. So we will be on our way to Dorchester. See you later. Wow, that looks like a very old church. Cool. A feisty little climb. Tough one. Oh. Turtle Door Beach and car park closed. Oh dear. That's not good. Oh, that's a shame. Wanted to have a closer look at Turtle Door. Dorchester 10, alright, 10 miles. Right, we're about 10k or 10 miles away, I should say, from Dorchester, our destination for today. And yeah, it's been an absolute cracking day. The weather has turned a little bit on us, but we actually stayed dry. So tomorrow is supposed to be raining, so we have to see tomorrow morning what the weather really is going to be. I'm not going to rely on Patreon because yeah, that's it's not very trustworthy, is it? We will be heading towards Bath. That is a definite, but yeah, the means of transportation to Bath remains to be seen. But for now, I'm signing off. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video, and as always, enjoy the ride. Stay safe out there. Cheers. Wow.